Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to copy the contacts on a Nokia 2660 flip mobile phone from the SIM card to the actual phone itself. So the first thing we want to do is open up the flip phone, then press the middle button to open up the menu, then come down to the contacts. Now here you'll have all your contacts. Currently I just have one. You want to press this button here to open up the menu. Then you want to come down to copy contacts and select the middle button again to copy it. So here in this section you'll see copy from phone, copy to SIM. So we want to change this around. So you want to press the middle button and we want to copy it from the SIM. Press OK. Come down, copy to, and we want to copy it to the phone. Then press OK. So then you press copy once you've copied from SIM, and then you copy it to phone. So press copy, select the contact. You can select a single one like this, or you can press this button here. You have multiple and select all. And then what you want to do is press this button here to copy it. And as you can see, it's now copied from the SIM to the phone, and it's copied that contact. So that's how to copy the Nokia 2660 flip contacts from the SIM card to the phone itself. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.